Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the Pixel app, select the import button, select a picture, adjust the picture, select the text option, edit option, mirror time, select the size, adjust the size, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, select the stroke, enable button down, adjust the color, select the shadow, enable button down, adjust the save, confirmation, and then select the 3D shape, enable button down, light angle, and then select the erase color, enable button down. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.